Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our basement refinish. Cleared this whole area out. Starting to put down the underlayment. This stuff is, put it up here. DMX AG flooring underlayment. 100% waterproof, mold resistant. You put this down, and then you put the 5/8 sheeting on top of that, and then you put your whatever finished floor you want. But the way this stuff works, it's dimpled, so if you get any moisture or anything, lets it air out underneath. So I'm going to set you guys up on the tripod, put it in time lapse, let the music play in the background, and you guys enjoy. And I'll be back at the end. What we're going to do, we're going to finish this area off. The blue tape here, all the way over to here, back to here. That's the walls. This will be our grandson's playroom. Furnace is going to get moved as soon as the weather breaks, so I can kill the gas line. I'm going to move the furnace. I'll show you. Furnace is going to get moved back in here. There used to be a closet. There used to be a closet right there I tore out. That's what all those holes are. But yeah, the furnace is going to get moved back in here. And then I'm going to have a... this is going to be behind the wall. This is going to be a walkway. There's going to be a door here to access that. So there'll be a door there. There'll be a door there, so there'll be like a little square hallway right here. This is going to be a home office. That's where I do all my video editing and everything. And then over here, it's going to be, the pool table is going to get moved over to there. That area over there is going to be a family room. This area is going to be the pool table area. Then we're going to have a table and stuff for family gatherings. And then back here, right here, from that pole over, it's going to be closed in over this way. It's going to be a half bath. There'll be a sink and a toilet there. And we're going to put a like a linen closet, game closet right here. And then there'll probably be another door here to get, so there'll be two doors to get into that little storage area. There'll be one over there in the office, and there'll be one here. So the breaker panel will be there. So yeah, then this is going to stay laundry, but it's going to get changed. Washer and dryer, I think, is going to move down here, right there. And then I'm going to build shelving, wooden shelving all the way around the rest of the room. and I'll possibly build a wall somewhat. Yeah, but that's later. So, put you guys on time lapse. Watch, you guys can see how this stuff goes down. I want to do time lapse because this is going to be a long video if I don't. So, stick around, enjoy the show. All right, guys, you got the gist how this goes down. You put this down, and now the I gotta finish this off, but now the subfloor goes on top of this. So you got to seam seal it, help block the moisture, tape all the way around that post. I just pieced this in. So this was one I think it was 50 foot by 44 and a half. 50 foot by 44 and a half was what this roll was. So I got another roll right there. So yeah, I'm gonna put another roll down. We'll put another row down right here. I think I'm gonna cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off square right there because I can't move that yet until the weather breaks. Cause I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Cause yeah, all that crap's got to move. Ductwork's got to move back. Everything's moving back and over. We'll make it work. So yeah, so that's the DMX dipple membrane underlayment. Now the OSB, 5/8 OSB goes on top of that. And then you can put whatever flooring you want on top of that. And then the walls, I got this stuff on order, but I'm putting 2-inch foam board up there on the walls, and then I'm going to build 2x4 walls, 16 on center. Then I'm going to put R19 insulation, R13 insulation inside that. But there'll be a wall, like I said, there'll be a wall along there. That's going to sit right on the ground. The other wall is going to be built right on top of this. But I'm going to put pressure treated lumber down here. I think I'm going to double stack it, glue it, and everything. That way, if anything in there breaks, it keeps the water over there. All right, guys. I'm going to continue putting some more dimple membrane down. So I'm going to shut you off right now, and I'll be back when I get the OSB. Stick around.